Hello and welcome to iQuanta. Today I'll be discussing a parasummary question from CAT 2021, slot 2. It's an economics-based paragraph. Let us read this. The unlikely alliance of the incumbent industrialist and the distressed unemployed worker is especially powerful amid the debris of corporate bankruptcies and layoffs. In an economic downturn, the capitalist is more likely to focus on costs of the competition emanating from free markets than on the opportunities they create. And the unemployed worker will find many others in a similar condition and with anxieties similar to his, which will make it easier for them to organize together. Using the cover and the political organization provided by the distressed, the capitalist captures the political agenda. All right. So to answer this question, we need to understand the main idea of this paragraph. And it is all about like when something bankruptcies or layoffs or some kind of decline happens in the industries, then what happens that the capitalists actually, they kind of team up with the distressed and unemployed workers and to use it as a political cover and, and a political agenda. So if we read the options one by one, let us see what the options state. The first option says the purpose of an unlikely alliance between the industrialist and the unemployed during an economic downturn is to stifle competition in free markets. So here it is talking about stifling the competition in free markets, which is of course true, but the problem over here is that unemployed, it is not their duty, it's not their function. According to passage, it is only about the industrialist. Unemployed do not have any, any kind of interest in doing this. Second, in an economic downturn, the capitalists use the anxieties of the unemployed and their political organization to set the political agenda to suit their economic interests. This is perfectly in line with the main idea of the passage, and it has covered all the key points, all the key ideas of the paragraph. So option 2 suits the best, but before marking it, let us read option 3 and 4 as well. Option 3 says an unlikely alliance of the industrialist and the unemployed happens during an economic downturn in which they come together to unite politically and capture the political agenda. Of course, this doesn't happen. They don't come together. It is a, it is a kind of cover that the capitalists, industrialists use to ally with the distressed unemployed workers. So here also, unemployed workers do not come together with the industrialist. Fourth, an economic downturn creates competition because of which the capitalists capture the political agenda created by political organization provided by the unemployed. This is, of course, not in sync, not in line with the paragraph. That is why fourth cannot be correct. So we'll go with option 2. That is the correct answer. So here, the main focus to answer this question was to find the main idea, the key idea, and that is how we could have answered this question. Moreover, elimination can also be done because here unemployed is used for, they also have this purpose, of course, that can be eliminated. Similarly, come together, elimination. This thing is not in line with the, not in sync with the paragraph. That is also one of the ways to answer this question. So 2 ways are there. One is finding the main idea, other is the art of elimination as we discussed earlier. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.